Yo, guys, welcome back to the video. Today we're gonna talk about how to use your Face ID instead of Apple ID password to install the apps from the App Store. So let's get started without wasting any time. Here you can see when I want to install app, it's asking for the Apple ID password. So how to use your Face ID instead of Apple ID password? So just go back to your home screen and open up your settings app on your device and then scroll it below and tap on screen time and now tap here on content and privacy restriction. Tell now to go on for content and privacy restrictions and enter screen time passcode here, and after that tap on iTunes and App Store purchases, and now from here you have to select here add thought require and then go back here, and here it's in settings menu. What you need to do is just scroll it below and tap on Face ID and passcode. Here it is, and give here your passcode, and then here turn the tool on for iTunes and App Store. And once you have to give here your Apple ID password, and then go back and then again try to install the app here, and now tap here on get. Now double click on the side button and Face ID is enabled. So that's it guys for today's video. Thanks for watching.